There was a howl that night, a howling like they'd never heard before. I cried so loud, oh Granddad almost hit the door. He said, I love this child as much as anyone she ever bore. But I thank the Lord we won't be having any more. Then the baby heard the sweetest sound he'd ever heard, in tones so beautifully hung on every word. She sang, hush my love, Granny's little dove is gonna take to the sky. Was on such a night he learned to fly like a bird. Now the years have passed, memories come and go. He hears that voice that rocked him gently so. A calm will descend, his peace on the end of the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird. Now the years have passed and memories come and go. He hears that voice that rocked him gently so. The rain's gonna fall, the wind may blow on the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird. Now the years have passed, memories come and go. He hears that voice that rocked him gently so. The rain's gonna fall, wind may blow on the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird. A calm will descend, his peace at the end of the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird.